Now isn't that love? Just sacrifice, never set the time, and take your life. Just trust me, you'll be fine. And when I'm back in Chicago, I'm feeling another version of me. I wasn't it. I wave goodbye to the end of beginning. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Take the man out of the city, not the city out the man. You take the man out of the city, not the city out the man. Take the man out of the city, not the city out the man. You take the man out of the hood. And when I'm back in Chicago, I feel it. Another version of me, I wasn't it. Oh, I wave goodbye to the end of beginning. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye.
We're back here singing along. That was pretty great. That was a really, really good vibe. You guys worked together really well.
So, Mr. Minty, Mr. Brown and I were actually supposed to be performing that next month at Faculty Follies, but I think it's safe to say we're gonna have to remove that from our set list because we don't sound even half as good as you guys. Excellent job.
We love the garage band vibe, and there's rumors going around that you guys will be playing at Coachella this weekend. So.
Woo!